Yet another What Do You Think? Brought to you by Abdul in the Bushes and Praxis.
Satan lives in the ears of dogs, and angels do not enter a house where there are dogs. Satan lives in the ears of black dogs. Women? Most of the inhabitants of hell will be women. Therefore, if a black dog, a woman or a donkey walk in front of praying men, their prayers are annulled. All dogs, except working dogs, for example goat herders, had to be killed. The solution? Today the dog haters use guide ponies for the blind. Still, millions of dogs had to be put to the sword.
Certified, authentic, Honda Draw.